What's the meaning of current? Current. Current.
Current. Current. Current generally refers to something that is happening or existing at the present time. It can refer to a particular moment or period in time, such as the current year or current hour. The term is often used in various contexts such as business, technology, and weather forecasting. In the context of this conversation, current indicates the date and time when the conversation is taking place, which is June 8, 2023, 11:09 and 44 seconds. It is important to understand the meaning of current in order to accurately communicate and understand information about time-sensitive topics.